Morning. In the morning. Good morning. Afternoon. In the afternoon. Good afternoon. Evening. In the evening. Good evening. Night. At night. Good night. Weekend. At the weekend. Have a good weekend. To say. Say sorry. Say hello in German. When do you play computer games? I play computer games in the evening. When does she walk her dog? She walks her dog in the morning and in the evening. When do they do their English homework? They do their English homework in the afternoon. When do you say good morning? We say good morning when we meet people in the morning. When does Tim go to the cinema? Tim goes to the cinema at the weekend. When? Where? Where from? What? What color? Whose? How old? How many? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. Where do you go at weekends? We go to the beach at weekends. What music does she listen to? She listens to pop music. Whose car does your brother drive? He drives our mother's car. I keep my rings in the box. Where do you keep your rings? She needs her father's books. Whose books does she need? They have 11 horses. How many horses do they have? He meets his friends at weekends. When does he meet his friends? He walks in the park in the afternoon. Where does he walk in the afternoon? We have 2 children, a boy and a girl. How many children do you have? We say good night when we go to bed in the evening. When do you say good night? My pet likes apples. What does your pet like?